Hey there, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Ever wondered if some love stories are just too wild to last? Um, it was, it was, it was, it was so, you know, there's lots of people in their romance was a roller coaster, a spectacle that kept us all watching. Remember the blood drinking engagement, um, the constant breakups? Then in March 2025, their daughter arrived. Are they back together, or is this truly the end? Currently, Megan and MGK are co parenting and surprisingly doing it well. Um, and let's dive into what happened. Well, remember the Super Bowl weekend Instagram purge of 2023? This recent split feels different. Um, their Thanksgiving 2024 vacation went south fast. Uh, Megan, understandably wary, checked MGK's phone. Mm. The messages she found led her to say, enough is enough. This wasn't a typical fight transforming. Sources say Megan was firm in her decision to move on. She didn't want to put herself in the same position again. The timing was awful right after her pregnancy announcement context. Finding those messages was the last straw. Megan wanted to break the pattern permanently. Co-parenting has highlighted their best qualities, which is that the arrival of their daughter on March 27th, 2025, changed things. MGK seems to have found his role as a father. Maiden has observed that he's more focused on this newfound purpose. You know, and he's there, mindful, ensuring Fox and their child are taking care. He spends several nights a week at their place. Uh, their bond remains intricate, but they've channeled their efforts into caring for their daughter. Um, Romance is off the table. Megan appreciates MGK as a father, but sees no romantic future. Uh, in my opinion, it's a wise decision. After a social media break, Megan returned to Instagram on May 22nd, 2025. Her story focused on empowerment. She shared insights on avoiding patriarchal norms, um, emphasizing the importance of recognizing each person's inherent worth. Um, the 38-year-old actress is prioritizing her emotional well-being. She seems radiant, reclaiming motherhood. Welcoming a daughter has been exceptionally meaningful. Um, and you know, and Fox finds immense happiness in her children's company. Um, her Instagram return subtly promoted her Amazon Prime series, Overcompensating. She's resuming her career. Uh, um, NGK initially wanted reconciliation, but now focuses on their child. It might be the best thing for them. Or Megan Fox and NGK aren't rekindling their romance. It seems that the most successful connections can emerge when we focus on what truly matters. Their wonderful daughter, Hardit, I heard their daughter has already started giving fashion advice. Talk about a mini style icon. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see you next time.